I got the futures.
In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Blue Snowball Ice microphone. Let's get into it. Right, first of all, what you need to know about the Blue Snowball Ice is that it's a condenser microphone. It has got no it will only pick up audio from in front of you. It's not that great for podcasts, but it's great for commentaries and stuff like that. Obviously right now I probably sound quite bad, but that will all change once we plug this thing in. I've got the black version, but it comes in two colours. It comes in black and white. Currently this is UK pricing. I got this microphone for around 50 UK pounds, which is what, about $60 roughly. I could be wrong, but I think it's around $60. But yeah, let's get into a mic test, because I know that's what all you guys are waiting for. Okay guys, we are now over onto the computer. As you can hear, by the quality in this microphone, it is a lot clearer than what you were just hearing me on. Now please bear in mind that the audio you've heard me on up to this point has been from my phone, so it wouldn't have been the best audio, and for that I apologise. But now moving on to this microphone, as you can hear, it's very clear, it's very crisp. But the only problem that you've got with a microphone like this is that when you get too close to it, or it's very close to you, and you say Peter Piper, any P words or B words tend to get the air tends to be like blown into the microphone, and it's very bad for it. Well, it isn't bad for it, but it's very bad to hear. So sorry, is what I should have been saying. And what you would really want for that is a pop filter. I haven't got mine yet. I'm waiting on mine, as well as a boom arm. Also, yeah, that's another thing I would recommend for a microphone like this, just to get a boom arm, just so then it's raised off your desk. So then if you're like, you know, tapping your desk or something, the vibrations don't go up into the mic. But yeah, as you can hear, it's very clear. I know I've just repeated myself, but now we're going to switch over to a program called Audacity, which there won't be a lot of all you'll hear is it will be a bit clearer than what you're currently hearing me on. So we'll switch over now, and then yeah, we'll switch over and you'll see. Right, we are now switched over on to the Blue Snowball microphone with Audacity. As you can hear, it's a lot clearer, and there's not as much background noise, and on a whole it sounds a lot more professional audio quality. It's very clear, very crisp, and any background noise is being reduced and taken out using Audacity. That's all I'm using it for. There is nothing being tampered with. Just purely, I'm purely literally taking out the background noise, so you don't hear any hissing or anything that may be with this mic. But as you can hear, it's very clear. An overall great microphone. I would recommend this microphone. I've only had it a short period of time, but if I do come across any problems, I will keep you updated. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if possible. And this has helped you in any way at all, decide on whether this microphone is any good for you. Please, would you mind just sharing it on social media? That would help. That helps me a lot. Just to, you know, just to help a friend out or whatever. But anyway guys, hope this helped you out, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you all later.